So in this video I'm going to be showing you my empty house tour. I'm so sorry for the echo. I do not want to waste more time with this intro. I'm just going to dive right into this video because I'm literally moving in today. So in case you see this clothes in my moving in vlog, please don't come for me. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So this is the entrance door. Once you come in through that door, to your left is a window. We bought this window blinds ourselves. It didn't come with the apartment. And so to this other side is just a plain wall, nothing happening there, and that's my tripod stand. So this is the living room. This is the second window. The place is not really big, it's just portable, and then one bulb is not working. We'll have to fix that, and the lighting is not so great. So the apartment has been cleaned. It didn't come this clean. Yeah, it's a new apartment, but it wasn't clean. So what we're planning to do here is to make this place our workspace / our work studio. So this side will be my workspace, and that will be for my twin sister. And then we might have a 3-seater couch here in the middle, and then here on this wall might be, I don't know, maybe a mirror. I don't know. I don't really know what's going to go on in this place, but I know it's going to be a workspace. I'm using a ring light because the lighting is not so great. So this is what the living room looks like. So over here we have our visitor's toilet. Remember I told you guys they are not done with this house. They're still working on it. So here we have the visitor's toilet. This is what it looks like. And there's supposed to be a washing basin here, so we'll still have to get that fixed. So there'll be a washing basin here and a mirror here. The place has been cleaned, but I'm still definitely going to clean it. Kudos to my cleaners. Thank you so much. They even dropped a souvenir for us after cleaning. So yeah, the toilet is not so big, it's just okay. So from the entrance door to your right is a walkway here. This door leads to the kitchen and this leads to the bedroom. So I'll take you in here first. This is what the bedroom looks like. It's not so big. Again, it's a portable apartment. It's not so big. So we already have our AC fixed. And then our curtain rails have been fixed also, so I'm going to just hang the curtain today. We've already started moving in. Like I said, today is also moving day, so we've already started moving in. So some of our stuff are here and some things are outside. I didn't want to bring them in before this empty apartment, so just go with it. So here is the bedroom. So this is what it looks like. I'm planning on putting our bed here, so I don't know yet, but I think this place is just okay. That's the plan. So the bed frame is going to be like that side. I'm planning on putting the dresser here, no, the dressing table or the makeup table, whatever it's called. I can see a stain on that wall. What the hell? I just painted this 2 days ago. Or on this side, I don't know. Then one wardrobe is going to be here. We're going to have 2 wardrobes. I wanted to make a very large wardrobe, but considering the space in this room, we're going to make 2 wardrobes. One will go there, and we're planning on putting another one here on this wall. So we don't know how that is going to look like, but we have a space here. So from behind the door, this is what the bedroom looks like. You need to put more bulbs. With time I'm going to do that, but for now this is what we're going to work with. So this is what it looks like. I don't know how this video is going to be, but you get a picture of what I'm talking about. Then here to this door is our toilet. light is not on. Let me put on the light. That's much better. So in here is our bathroom. It's also not big, it's quite small. And here we have our shower, and the window is there, and this is the sink and the toilet seat. My cleaners cleaned our house, guys, so in case you need to get your apartment cleaned, post-construction cleaning, any type of cleaning you want to do, just holler at them. I'm going to leave their number in the description box. So after cleaning, they left these cute souvenirs for us. You can see that my cleaners. Let me drop that. They left one tissue in the visitor's toilet, and they also left another one. So if you want to get your house cleaned, you can always holler at them. They're available. They have another branch in Lagos, so if you're in Lagos, you're covered too. You can always holler at them and they'll get your cleaning done. So we're done with the bathroom. We're going to be putting a blind there also. Yeah, it has just one bulb. Is a regular curtain rail, it's a curtain rail, regular towel rail, and that's it. So going outside the door to this place is the kitchen. So this kitchen didn't come with kitchen cabinets. We had to make kitchen cabinets. So now, like, how many doors? The cabinet, you get picture of it, it won't look like.
Okay, the cabinet. This one.
You go get door.
Have you made it open?
No, at least even if you go there open, maybe me to go there open.
And I'm going to go there.
Door go there here.
Door this side. Door this side.
No, then shelf, have you?
Chef. We go there, arrange it. This one now. Well, not to do this one, courage. I'll do one small one here. Where your gas, this thing will be on top. Then the under will get door.
Okay. So the one where I say cabinet, okay, this side will be the drawer. I want drawer, like that drawer is very important. So that's so nothing will do this side, have you?
No.
So then this one we will use cast. Na cast, I bet the color.
Now ordinary wood I will take frame and I come put
door. But not be anyhow wood. You know we use MBF.
If you use MDF, take frame and water go spoil now. Go use ordinary wood, go put it, you no go know.
You go find.
You go find.
So this is the color of wood we chose. I chose this particularly because of this this brown detail here. I just didn't want any shouty color, and the theme in our house is a minimalist theme, so I didn't really want too much colors. So I was really intentional about picking the color of wood that we're going to use. So up here is the cabinet or the storage space. It's quite high, so I'm going to get a stepping stone, but this is what it looks like, and this is what it looks like up here. And we also have another storage space there. Here is also the same. Oh damn it, my hands. So this is what it looks like. We're just going to figure out what to go in there. But first I have to get a stepping stool. Both I and my twin sister were short, we're not that tall. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to leave his number in the description box also. So here we're supposed to cover this what's it called? So I'll just get an electrician to screw it. screw it on it. So overall, this is what it looks like. I think here a microwave should go in here, and on top here we'll have our tabletop gas. You also have a drawer space, and in here it's just the extra storage in here. And yeah, the kitchen is not so big also. The house is just a portable house, so we just had to work with what we have. So yeah, that's that for the kitchen. So after here we have another door. This door leads to, is it the balcony? Yeah, there's a little balcony outside there. I'm not going to be showing you guys all that because I'm not done with the exterior part of the house, like I said, so there's no point showing you guys the balcony outside. So this is the kitchen view. I'm excited to be here. I'm also going to have a window blind up there. So yeah. So coming out, we're going back to the living room. So that's that. So that's that about the empty apartment tour. It's not a really big apartment. It's really portable for us, and baby steps, guys. Who knows, next year I might move from this place to a bigger place. Who knows? So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll be here to answer any questions you have about this apartment or the agent that got it for me. And don't forget to share this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.